Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in Classroom Notes by Rekha Jain. Today we will discuss a very important topic of your grammar, and that is the use of articles. Dear students, this topic is important as it has become an integral part of your grammar exercises which come in your question paper, and that comes usually in your integrated exercises. And I am sure if you remove a few doubts, you will never commit the errors in their uses. So let us start understanding their uses. First of all, let us see which words come under the category of articles. There are three words: a, and the. Let us see the use of a and an first. Dear students, these two words are indefinite articles. Which words? A and an. And they are always used before a countable noun which is only singular. For example, a book, a picture, an onion, or a notebook. Now let us see when they are used. A is used before consonant sounds. Please note only the sound and not the alphabet. And you will see, while pronouncing a word, when a part of the tongue or lip or teeth causes friction in its initial speech, that creates consonant sound. That means air can't escape freely. Let us practice this with some examples. When you pronounce a man, ma, when you pronounce ma of man, you will see your lips are touching each other. There is a slight touch of the lips. When you pronounce nap, no, you will see your upper part of the tongue is touching somewhere in the jaw. Similar is the case of table. Your front part of the tongue is touching the upper jaw. So air can't escape freely. Before these words you will always put a. Now when to use an? An is used before nouns beginning with vowel sounds. Again note, please, only sounds and not the alphabets. Now while pronouncing a word, when a part of tongue, lip or teeth doesn't cause friction in its initial speech, that creates vowel sound. It means air can escape freely. Let us again practice this with examples. An apple. When you pronounce apple, a of apple, you will see all the organs of the mouth remains open, intact. They don't touch each other. Similarly, uncle, just practice it while pronouncing. You will notice all the organs remain apart from each other. Egg, Let us see some parts where we are likely to commit the errors, and if you understand the deep part of these, you will never commit the errors. For example, let us see a phrase, a 1 rupee note. Now dear students, just notice this a 1 rupee note. Now people are likely to commit the error here because they think that this O is a vowel, and that is why always put an before it. But no, dear students, always go by the sound. As I have told you, the sound it creates is wa, and the front parts of your tongue or the lips are moving towards each other. That means you are not free to use the word, you are not free to use the article and before it. You will always use a. Next is unit. Sound like similar to unit. Your tip of the tongue is touching the front jaws. And similar is the case of university, European. The same sound is initial same sound is created. So you will always use a before these sounds. Again, I am requesting you kindly note only sounds which the alphabet creates, and note the alphabet decides the use of a or an. Here are some more examples. When we write MPM, people think that this is a consonant and they always put A. Blindly they will put A without going deep into its sound. But dear students, when you pronounce it M, when you pronounce M, you are not going to pronounce M, you are pronouncing M. A sound is created, so you will always put an. And R, sound H is silent here, and not here. So before these you will always put an. Here are a few points which you will remember in their uses. The main purpose of articles is to tell the noun which comes before it doesn't refer to any particular thing or person. They are common. Next is, they are normally used before an uncountable noun. They are not normally used before uncountable noun like water, wheat, beauty, furniture. But if that uncountable noun is used in a particular sense, then a or an can be used. For example, a woman is very beautiful, and you are talking about, when you talk about beauty, you always talk about her. She is a beauty. That means beauty. She is beauty personified. Next example which I have taken is about a particular habit. I always have a tea with my dinner. That means I am talking about my particular habit. So you will put tea. Dear student, not beauty and tea. These are not countable nouns. Still we are putting articles before them. Third point to be noted, if an adjective comes before a countable noun, a or an is used according to the initial sound. For example, greedy, he is a greedy man. Greedy is an adjective, and we will put a according to the sound G is creating, and G is creating G sound. Next is, this is a useful tool. Useful is an adjective, and you, while you is pronounced as you, and that is a consonant sound. That is why we will put a before useful. Okay. Now we will understand the uses of article the. This can be used with countable and uncountable both, singulars and plural both. There is no limitations. And its purpose, just note it down, its purpose is to specify person, place, things or any other object. So dear students, example is given here, and what is the example? Example is like get me the pen I gave you. Dear students, just note it down, the highlighted words, the pen. That means I am talking about a particular pen which I gave you. Let us remember some points before we use the. First is, it is used before a singular noun when it refers to a particular class, like the woman is a symbol of sacrifice. Singular noun woman, and we are talking about a particular class, that means class of sacrifice. She is the symbol of sacrifice. The bicycle is a common man's vehicle. Now bicycle will be preceded by the when it is specifying a particular class. Particular class is common man. Okay students. Another is, we worship the cow. The cow is a single noun, and this is specifying a particular class of the people who worship. Second point, before the names of the rivers, mountains, gulfs, seas, oceans and ships. This you will have to remember, like the Ganges, the Himalaya, the Pacific. Third is before the name of the country. Name of the country. Countries in plural. For example, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands. For the religious books, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita. For hotels, museums, certain buildings, for example, the Taj, the Bank of America, the Red Fort. The names of families in plural. This is also very important. For example, the Kapoors, they are in plural. The Bachchans, the Nehrus, which are used in plural, we always put the before these families' names. These are surnames. Names of the newspapers. This is a common thing. This is a common fact. When you pick up the paper, you will always find the before the names of the newspaper. Before the superlative degrees, this is also very common known fact. Before the superlative degrees. Then before the adjectives also. Before the adjectives also, we put the, like the rich, the poor. Then before the races and communities, like the Hindus, the Muslims, the Sikhs. Before some expressions, like by the letters. When we, like I have told you, by the sound, not by the alphabets. This is also one of the expression. So dear students, I hope today's video was able to remove some of your doubts, and I think